Welcome to Soundcheck. Ang guest ko nga pala ngayon ay si Brand New.
Smell that?
Hi, Brand New. Welcome sa show. Welcome sa Soundcheck.
Glad to be here. Thrilled to be here.
Tell us something about yourself.
I go by the name of Brand New. I am a solo artist. To inspire all the youngins, my age group, hit some positive motivation type of music. That's what I do. I write those stuff.
As a solo artist, paano yung music scene sa'yo? What's it like for a solo artist?
Well, it's, so far, maganda yung feedback ng mga tao. So, ever since I've done this, I've never had no haters or di ko sila naririnig. And so I keep doing myself, So, to all the people that said no to me, I thank them because without them, I would have not done it by myself, right? So,
For the challenges that you've come across with, ano yung mga ginawa mo sa mga ngayon?
Every day is a challenge, right? You never take things as a competition.
That's true.
Lahat challenge. Para yung mindset mo parating clear, positive. And for me, writing the best track for tomorrow is always a challenge for me. And I always love the challenge, you know what I mean? So, take that in, be the same.
Let's talk about how you write your music.
You know what, it's funny because nag-umpisa ako dati talagang karaoke mic lang. Tapos hanger, naglagay ako ng stockings para may split guard ako. So, and then I came along with, I had a job, part-time job, so I started investing. I got introduced to Long and McQuaid.
I see.
So you gotta get in there. And then, kung ano na lang binili ko, bibili ako ng mic. I slowly bought my amp,
Wow.
everything else, the hub, and the program. Because you gotta invest in your own passion,
I
right?
see.
Because a pack of dreams comes a pack of supporters. Pag may own stuff ka, hindi ka na,
I see.
wala ka na istorbahin ng mga tao. Para bang, kung gusto
That's
mo
true.
mag-record ngayon, miski alas 2 na umaga, you do it up on your own.
I see. But
With good quality,
But with Filipino friends, that's always possible, right?
Right,
They always say
so,
yes, okay.
yes.
For now, as a Filipino solo artist,
So proud to be Filipino, man. It's in my blood. I go home, all I eat is Filipino food. I sweat, Filipino. You just gotta be proud of it, man. Everywhere around the world, you gotta be proud to be Filipinos, man. The color is golden.
I
Keep it
see.
solid, man.
Cool. May mga idol ka ba ng mga Filipino rappers or any foreign rappers? The person you look up to.
I don't idolize. I
Okay.
support.
Cool.
Because idolism, it's not that good with me. So I like to support everybody so everybody can support me back. Lalo na dito sa Canada, sa Toronto. Marami mga Pilipino na sumusuporta, so which is a good thing, So you just do the same thing. Support your fellow people, man.
Yan ang importante ngayon sa music
Yeah.
scene natin dito sa Canada, most especially dito sa Toronto.
That's right.
Of course, we have to be one. Sa mga klase ng pagrarap, may mga techniques tayong sinusundan dyan, right? Pwede mo
Yeah.
ba kaming bigyan ng mga klase ng techniques na
there's
ginagamit mo?
Well, I learned this from experience, so I hit you guys with the slow one first. All right, ready? I feel good now, and this is what I call life. So good that I don't even have to write. Too good that it makes me smile every night. Plus, I'm not afraid of heights, so I'm always on a flight. Look at the bright side just so you can feel the hype. It's like sometimes loving what you really like. It only takes one time just to get it right. You can feel my passion and dedication come out the mic. That's one flow that I do.
Sick.
Next flow, it could be like, I could do it better, homie. You don't need to break it slow. See me driving slowly, getting head, homie, keep it low. That's another flow that I do. Helicopter, we do it like, if ever you want it with one of a kind, standing there guns in front of the crime, kicking the middle of the design, kicking the pedal, the better the grind. Keep up, I invented the lines. These up, I got the one a dime. Visas making money alive. Jesus, you can see my eyes smoking the weed, smelling the breeze, rolling a chew in the customer needs, calling my team, we jump on the fiend, taking my green, I'ma put on my beam. Look at my cream if you know what I mean. Straight from Philippines.
Ayos. Wow. Did you hear that, guys?
Thank you.
Brand new.
Smell that?
Wow. Medyo na-shock ako doon. Thank you so much, Brand
Thank
New.
you. Maraming salamat.
At meron ka bang mga ipopromote ng mga shows mo, mga
Yes,
gigs
I'd like
sa
to promote
Facebook?
Soundcheck. Always watch Soundcheck. It's the new thing, 2013. It only gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Check it out. That's what I'm promoting. And everything else goes on my YouTube and Facebook. Rap Like Brand New. Check it out.
Sa susunod na episode ng Soundcheck, abangan ninyo. Kita-kita tayo ulit. Kudos!